Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Again with you, Omar from Brownsburg Motorsports. Today we have a 2018 BMW 330i, and it's equipped with a B48/B46 engine, and we're going to be showing you how to put this car in neutral. I have been struggling with finding any direction whatsoever on how to put this car in neutral if the car is dead or needs to be towed. And unfortunately, I couldn't find any single video out there because the car is completely dead. So even with the jump box, I couldn't press the start button 3 times and then try to put it in neutral. I've never tried that before, but the book said that's how you do it. So for all of you guys who's also trying to figure this out, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and remove the cover that's in the bottom. You're gonna have a cover that covers the transmission all the way at the bottom. It's gonna look something like this bottom one right here. That's the cover I'm talking about, held on with a few 8mm. And once you get that done, you're gonna come on the driver side of the transmission, so on the driver side, and you're gonna look up over there between the drive shaft and the transmission, and you're gonna see a lever. See that lever right there that I have a wire? I don't know if you guys could see that. There we go, that lever right there. See that lever I'm pulling? So if you grab a wire and you hold on to it and you grab it down, as long as it stays down, that car is in neutral. So what I did to actually be able to push it, I struck a extension extension over here, a 3/8 extension, and I kind of just set it over here to keep it down so I can actually push it. So again, as long as that lever is down, that's the lever right there, as long as that lever is down, the car will be in neutral. So that's the neutral override for it. Whether you have power in the car or not, that's the way of doing it.